Hi, my name is Emily and I create weekly roller skating content, tutorials, all things roller skating. And today I'm going to be watching one of my recent skate sessions where I am at the skate park and practicing my toe stop stalls and Maryland stalls. So if you see me looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my computer. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button under this video to stay updated on my weekly videos. All right, I'm just gonna play it from the beginning. All right, this was my first day using my new Moxie Fun Day wheels, the blue ones. Ooh, they look so good. They were definitely really smooth, I remember, on the ramp. So here I'm just pumping, getting some momentum. The first thing that I'm probably gonna do is just quickly tap both of my toe stops to the ramp when I get high enough. Just do, yeah, there we go. So this is just to get my body used to the feeling of sort of flipping my toes down to do the toe stop stall. I'm not really putting all my weight yet into the ramp. This is just a little tap of my toe stops. And now I am slightly putting my hips forward into it. Not too much, but you do want to have your weight, yeah, like that, have your weight forward, and it helps to move your hips forward. This was such a beautiful day at the park. As you can see, I'm just wearing a t-shirt here. Oh, that was a good one. And you can also see I'm not going too high on the ramp. You don't have to go super high in order to do toe stop stalls. So I'm putting my toe stops down and pushing my hips up and forward. When I first got to the park this day, I remember I forgot to bring my toe stops, actually. I had my jam plugs in from dancing at the rink the other day, and that was a complete disaster because then I had to drive home and get my toe stops. Moral of the story, try to have a bag or something that you can put all of your skate things in. So your skate tools, your wheels, in case you want to change wheels, your toe stops and jam plugs, if you are someone who goes back and forth between different styles. Because certain things you can do with and without toe stops, but ramp skating, you need your toe stops or you will probably die. I think now I'm trying to see how long I can hold it in the stalls. Something I'm working on is putting my hips forward more and stalling for a longer time. Right now it's just like I can stall for about 1 second and then I start to roll backwards again. So still we're I'm pushing my hips forward. Another thing I didn't mention yet is that when I am, oh, looks like I'm taking a break. I probably got out of breath. So when I am skating forward up the ramp, my eyes are looking up and out, but as I get closer to where I'm going to stall, I want to look down at the exact spot that I want my toe stops to land. So you need to be looking at where you want your toe stops to land to prepare for that stall. Usually I start out my time at a skate park by going to the half pipe and practicing pumping and doing toe stop stalls. Oh, here it looks like I'm working on Maryland stalls, which is where you put one toe stop down and put the other foot behind your leg and touch it with the opposite arm. So it looks like first I'm just putting that one toe stop down and quickly lifting that right leg up. So my left toe stop is the one that is stalling and my right leg is just gonna lift a little bit. Looks like I got tired again. Yeah, and that's okay. Take as many breaks as you need. I also forgot to bring water that day. Bring a water bottle. Don't forget your water. You gotta stay hydrated out here, even if it is cold. If you continue to skate when you're too tired, that really heightens the risk of injury. So don't be afraid to take a minute to just breathe. Oh, there we go. So my left toe stop is going down. My right foot is crossing behind my left leg, and my left arm is touching that right foot. Another thing to note is that when you're doing the double toe stop stall, after you stall, you can either just roll back naturally right out of the toe stop stall, or you can do a little hop. I think I do a couple more. Nice. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress, and I hope by watching my practice session, it could help you a little bit if you are also wanting to learn these things.